everyone, and welcome back. It's Stacy with Portia Resorts Travel. Today, I'm here interviewing my mom. She was in town. We're out on beautiful Lake Conroe, and I just thought it would be good to talk with her. We have traveled quite a bit together, and just kind of get her take on all of our adventures. So,
Thank you for having me. I'm happy to be here.
first question is, what is your favorite place you've ever traveled to?
Well, I can't say there's ever been a place that I haven't enjoyed traveling to. There's never been a trip that I've taken that I've regretted. But I really do think about the trip that we took to Italy together. We went to Rome, we went to Pisa, we went to Venice, which was fantastic. Um, and I really think about that trip quite often.
Yeah, no, it was a great trip.
It was a great trip.
That trip was really cool. It was a multi-generational trip. We had
It was.
us, we had my cousin, my aunt, my grandmother. So it was fun to kind of get a mix of ladies out there.
Yes. Yes. And it was the first trip to Europe for most of the group,
Yep.
I think. So that was very exciting. It's always exciting to see a place that, through somebody else's eyes
Yep.
who've never been there. Also, we were celebrating
Yep.
graduation for
Yep.
you and your cousin. So that made it special
Yep.
as well. It was a
Absolutely.
great trip.
It definitely was. It's definitely on my highlight reel as well.
Yes.
We talked about it just a little bit, but what made that trip so special to you?
Well, one thing that really made it special was we had a really great mix of things that were planned and then some downtime as well. So we had, the opportunity to do some spur of the moment kind of things. I don't know if, that underground, the Bone Church. I
Oh,
don't know
yes.
that was on our original itinerary. That was in Rome. And then also in Venice, we just happened to pass by this beautiful church cathedral, and they were having a concert
Yeah.
that night, and we were able to get tickets and walk right in, and it's one of my favorite memories from that trip.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think the combination of we had a great tour guide for a full day in Rome, but then we also had in each of the places that we visited some downtime as well, so we could take advantage of spur of the moment things that came up.
Yeah. No, one thing that I think is really cool, I loved that concert as well. And while we were there, we actually made some friends with some people from Australia. And to this day, I'm still friends with those
Oh,
people.
nice.
I mean, online and all that kind of stuff,
Yeah.
but we still connect. And so that's one of the great things about travel is you meet new people and connect and can become lifelong friends. So I love that aspect of it.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Ooh, I think I know the answer to this question, but are you more of a relax on the beach or a go explore everything kind of traveler?
I am not a relax on the beach
Not
kind
at
of
all.
traveler. I mean, not that I don't enjoy relaxing on the beach, but I'm definitely much more of let's go see
Yep.
everything because you never know if you're going to get back to that place. I mean, we're here at the lake this week. I'm happy just sitting, relaxing, and
Mentioned some fish. They've caught quite a lot of fish.
yes, fishing. So I do know how to relax. But typically, if I'm in a new place that, I've never been there before, I want to try to see it all.
Yep.
I just can't help myself. You know, I
Yeah.
just want to see it all.
No, I definitely think that I got that spirit from you as well, which you have said before may be my downfall because when mom and I travel, I take over that go, go, go.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then she's having to stop me and be like, can we please eat something
Well,
today?
yes, that is true. I have said that. I do like to have like at least one, let's actually sit down and have a meal a day. I
Yep.
only need one. I don't have to have three. One is nice.
Yep. No, that's fair. Okay. This is a fun question. So, what is one thing you always pack no matter where you go?
I'm a pretty light packer. I am more, of the philosophy that all you really need is your ID,
Yep.
your cell phone, and a credit card.
Yep.
Okay. Anything else you can get. I
Yep.
mean, that's an expensive way to travel. So I don't really do that. Um, but I'm a pretty experienced packer by this point. So, coordinating clothes that I don't have to think about a
Yeah,
lot, and definitely comfortable shoes because I am going to be on the go
that's right.
the whole time.
Okay. What is one trip or memory that we've had together that you'll never forget?
Well, the most special trip that I've been on with you was the trip that we took to Vegas for your wedding. You
Yep,
had a
yep.
destination wedding, and it was just such a beautiful time, such a happy time. Um, Friends and loved ones there, and just a beautiful memory all the way around.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I that trip for your wedding definitely has a special place in my heart.
Yeah. No, mine too, obviously. But no, it was great. We had like 30 to 40 people there.
Yes.
So it was small, low key, but it was all people that really meant a lot to us. So
And
yeah.
you had everything planned out so perfectly
Yeah.
that I don't remember any issues with the trip, as far as everything running on schedule, everybody getting to where they needed to be on time. Um the wedding venue itself at the Neon Museum was beautiful, and where we had the reception was beautiful as well.
Yeah.
So it was great.
Yeah. Okay. I also know the answer to this one already because she's already been asking me about it. But what is one place that you've always wanted to go but haven't yet?
Oh, I want to go to Hungary. I want to go to
Yep,
Budapest.
yep.
Okay, I really I don't even know why. I think I studied about it maybe when I was in college and just always thought, oh yeah, that's somewhere where I want to go.
What's something you really want to see while you're there?
Oh my goodness, there are so many museums, and I
Yeah.
I just like seeing
Yeah.
the old things that we just don't normally experience here in the United States.
Right.
We have things that are a couple of hundred years old, and but as far as buildings or cities that are thousands of years old, it
Yeah.
just doesn't exist here.
Right.
And for, to see those things that are so beautiful and so well preserved in some of these European countries is just I love it. It's very special
Yeah.
to me.
Yeah, no, I would agree with that. When we were in Italy, it was cool because you actually could see like the layers of the city,
Right.
like they had city and then they built things on top of it and then they built on top of that too. And so you're seeing just how far down it's going and that history and you're right, it's so well preserved over there. They
Yes.
take a really good care of
Yeah.
that kind of stuff.
Yeah, they really value it,
Yeah.
and I love seeing it.
Although I will say I'm not a huge fan of the water fountains.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. They had these just free flowing water
It was in
fountains.
front of the Spanish
It was in
Steps.
front of the Spanish Steps,
Yes.
and it was a little slippery, and I slipped and fell, and we were worried.
Let me say, you recovered beautifully because you were going to stand there and I was going to take a quick photo. Well, you went and you slipped, you got right back up. I took the photo, but in my head, I am thinking, oh my gosh, are you okay? What?
Did you break your wrist?
Yes. What am I going to have to find medical care here for you?
That's why you need travel insurance.
In Italy. Yes.
Yep.
Yes. The older I get, the more I agree.
Yep.
that you do.
You never know when you may slip at the Spanish Steps.
Right.
So the last question that I have for you today is, what is your favorite part about traveling?
My favorite part about traveling is that it's always an adventure.
Yeah.
You never know what's going to happen. And 99 times out of 100 is something good. I mean, maybe you fall at the Spanish Steps, which is a little oops,
But you rebound gracefully.
rebound, and it's fine. But you never know what you're going to come across.
Yeah.
What
Who you're gonna
people,
meet? Yeah.
what people you're going to meet, just what memories you're going to make, and yeah, it's just the adventure of it that
Yeah.
I love, because you never know what you're going to find, and it could be the thing that you find that you didn't plan could be the most special thing of your entire trip.
Absolutely.
So, yes, it's nice to have a rough plan of what you're gonna do, but still have some time if you find something special that you just don't wanna miss.
Yep. And my favorite thing to do is find food. So
Yes, that is always nice.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, some of those little hole in the wall spots that you don't just see on Yelp, or I
Right.
like to ask, the locals, where do you like to eat? Because they're gonna have the best spots. So
Yes.
don't think you have to have everything planned out. Plan out the big things, make sure you know what you want to see, but everything else is just kind of fun to explore along the way.
Just enjoy it. Think of it,
Yeah.
as an adventure.
Yep.
And just make the most of it because you may not have the opportunity to get back there again,
That's right.
and you just want to make sure that it fills your heart and fills your spirit with adventure, because that's what travel's about.
Yeah. Ah, Mom, it was so good interviewing you today.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you.
You're perfect.
Ah. Whew. Well, on that note, as I'm about to start crying, thank you guys for joining us today. Thank you, Mom, for
You're
being here and
welcome.
taking the time on y'all's little vacation weekend to let me interview you. And if, you want to travel somewhere with your mom or by yourself or a multi-gen trip, really, whatever you want to do, I am happy to help make that dream come true for you guys. So feel free to reach out at porchresortstravel.com. And this is Stacy signing off, and I'll see you next time.
Happy trails.